Elon Musk isn't just building rockets and electric cars, he's also got his hands on some of the most advanced and insanely expensive robots in the world. From machines that can do mind-blowing tasks to ones that look straight out of a sci-fi movie, Musk's robotic collection is on another level. But why does he own them? And what are they really for? Join us as we uncover the fascinating world of Elon Musk's high-tech robot empire. Number 1. Tesla Robotaxi. Imagine having a car that takes you anywhere you want to go without having to drive yourself. This is how powerful and technically advanced the Tesla Robotaxi is. But despite its unique characteristics and superior qualities, it represents one of Elon Musk's expensive robots, and only a few people are believed to be able to afford it. In a recent unveiling, and one that stunned investors, Tesla revealed its long-awaited Robotaxi, which happens to be a potential milestone after a decade of Elon Musk's unfulfilled promises to deliver self-driving vehicles. The automaker unveiled a prototype called the Cybercab, which Musk described as capable of supervised full self-driving rather than a road-ready driverless taxi. The taxi has no steering wheel or pedals, and 20 of the cars have reportedly driven around without anybody inside at the event at Warner Bros. Studios. Elon Musk said he expects the Robotaxis to be rolled out before 2027 at a cost of under $30,000. 2. Tesla Optimus humanoid. The Tesla Optimus is reportedly the most advanced humanoid robot owned by Elon Musk, but its current price, which reportedly cost about $100,000, is one that keeps it out of reach for many customers. While the robot isn't expected to be commercially available until at least 2026, a $40 Optimus action figure was reportedly sold out in minutes when it was listed on Tesla's website earlier this year, pitching Tesla's Optimus as an affordable solution with mass market appeal. However, during Tesla's second quarter earnings call, CEO Elon Musk doubled down on the company's ambitious bet on robotics, describing the latest advancements in the Optimus humanoid robot project. He added that the bots will cost about $20,000 to $30,000 once production is scaled. CNBC revealed that Elon Musk believes that the Optimus would elevate Tesla's market cap by $25 trillion in the future. And just when you thought the Tesla Optimus is expensive, this next one costs even more. Number 3. Neuralink Surgical Robot. Imagine someone who cannot move any part of their body being able to use a robotic arm to drink or feed themselves just by thinking. Isn't that unbelievable? And yes, Elon Musk owns this amazing robot, and your guess is as good as mine. It cost a fortune. The Neuralink Surgical Robot reportedly enables people with physical disabilities, such as full-body paralysis, to control devices and technologies with just their thoughts. This means that this patient population who have previously been completely dependent on caregivers is now able to live more independently. It is believed that this huge robot has the technological potential to make a positive impact. Reports have it that Elon Musk founded the Neuralink company to mitigate what he sees as a potential existential threat to human life. While its near-term goals are aimed at helping address medical conditions incurred by damage to brain tissue, Musk ultimately hopes that Neuralink will be able to help humans keep up with advanced AI by providing them with a latency-free, direct high-bandwidth connection to their computers, using direct thought input. According to a Bloomberg report, a Neuralink chip is estimated to cost about $10,500 in exams, parts, and labor. Insurer costs are expected to bump that price up to the $50,000 mark. 4. Starlink Autonomous Robotics. The introduction of the Starlink Autonomous Robotics represents a paradigm shift in connectivity. Starlink Robot, owned by Elon Musk, is reported to be the first mobile robotic platform equipped with Starlink satellite internet. To date, Starlink is believed to be the only satellite internet provider to offer speeds up to 220 megabits per second with low latency, thanks to the performance of its 7,000 and counting low Earth orbit satellites. Starlink's recent foray into in-flight Wi-Fi, where average speeds in the air are actually faster than what you'd get from home internet service on the ground, and direct-to-cell service further solidifies Starlink's sweeping impact on internet access. However, home internet service from Starlink usually comes with a hefty price tag. The standard residential plan starts at $120 monthly, not including monthly equipment costs. In recent months, Starlink has announced some price cuts on various aspects of its service, though there's some fine print to consider. Its residential light service is more competitively priced at $80 a month, but that price is believed to still be high compared to much faster speeds that you could get from fiber or cable internet providers. If you think the Tesla Robotaxi, Neuralink, and Starlink are expensive, prepare to be amazed as we unveil the next Elon Musk's expensive robot, 5 SpaceX Mechazilla arms. The Mechazilla arm is not just an expensive robot, it's a wonder of the 21st century that is set to change the way traveling into space is viewed. The SpaceX made engineering history in October 2024 during a test flight of the massive Starship rocket, catching the returning booster with mechanical arms dubbed chopsticks as it descended back to the launch pad. The nearly 400-foot Starship rocket, which is designed to be reusable, launched from the company's Starbase launch site near Boca Chica Village in South Texas. As the 233-foot Super Heavy booster detached and fell back toward Earth, the booster's 33 Raptor engines roared to slow its return to the launch site. The booster fell slowly into the tower's metal arms and hooked itself into place on the first ever attempt at using the novel catching method. The test flight is believed to mark another step toward Musk's vision of sending people and supplies into space, with his ultimate goal of sending crewed missions to Mars. According to Payload Research, SpaceX has spent around $5 billion on Starship research and development as of February 2024. It is also estimated that the company has spent around $10 billion on the project, and that does not include building costs. In total, it is believed that the Mechazilla arm cost SpaceX around $90 million to get the Starship project up and in the air. 6 AI infrastructure robots. In a bid to expand and build on his recent successes and global impact, Elon Musk has reportedly partnered with chipmaker NVIDIA and has a $30 billion artificial intelligence infrastructure project. The AI Infrastructure Fund, which was backed by BlackRock, Microsoft, and Abu Dhabi AI investment group MGX, announced the 2 high-profile signups on Wednesday, March 19th. They noted that their ultimate goal was to raise up to $100 billion for artificial intelligence development. Jensen Huang, the founder and CEO of NVIDIA, said in an announcement that the global build-out of AI infrastructure will benefit every company and country that wants to achieve economic growth and unlock solutions to the world's greatest challenges. The AI factories built on NVIDIA full-stack AI infrastructure will reportedly convert data into intelligence that will accelerate every industry and help society achieve unimaginable breakthroughs. Reports have it that Microsoft and BlackRock launched the fund last year with the aim of raising money to construct data centers and find sources of power for those facilities before Elon Musk came for partnership. This partnership is believed to make Elon Musk the highest shareholder of the innovation. The announcement came one day after Huang told attendees at the NVIDIA Developer Conference that massive computing power is required to enable the current trajectory of AI as it moves toward agents and reasoning models. It was reported that traditional large language models need much less computing power than AI agents and reasoning models, but they also answer immediately. Reasoning models need much more power because they go back and forth reasoning among themselves before responding, which in many cases is believed would take longer. SayYMTS noted that Huang was making the case that the industry will still require a lot of NVIDIA GPU following a flurry of news in January surrounding the Chinese AI startup DeepSeek. The company is expected to train its high-performing foundation AI model using only 2 slower NVIDIA H800 chips instead of typically tens of thousands or more for companies like OpenAI. This Elon Musk fund isn't the only expensive and multi-billion-dollar effort to finance AI robot infrastructure projects. This next robot will definitely blow your mind. 7 SpaceX robotics capsule arm. It's clear Elon Musk not only likes to embark on new adventures, but also take up new challenges. Neither is he afraid of spending so much on developing new technologies and ideas, and this one isn't an exception. In what was another expensive and mind-blowing innovation, SpaceX launched another robot called the SpaceX Robotics Capsule Arm. Reports have it that despite a hiccup with the craft's laser guidance system, SpaceX's Dragon space capsule was successfully plucked from orbit and has officially docked with the International Space Station. This milestone moment is believed to make Dragon the first commercial craft to make contact with the orbiting laboratory, an event described as awesome by Space Elon Musk on his Twitter feed. But how expensive is this robot? According to Payload Research, the SpaceX Robotics Capsule Arm, popularly referred to as Starship's robotic arm, reportedly has an estimated research and development cost of around $5 to $10 billion. The robotic arm itself is not a separately priced component, but rather integrated into the Starship design and functionality. Though the overall cost of Starship, including the robotic arm, is not publicly detailed by SpaceX, estimates reportedly range from $90 million per launch. 8 SpaceX Raptor engine assembly. Undoubtedly, SpaceX is a home to some of the world's most advanced 3D metal printing technology. Recently, Elon Musk followed up on one of his posts on X when he shared how the latest Raptor engine's iteration has undergone extensive part consolidation. Reports have it that the Raptor 3 SN1 has been simplified to include internalized secondary flow paths and regenerative cooling for exposed components. As a result, the Raptor 3 is said to eliminate the need for a heat shield, which means it has been able to do away with additional mass and complexity, and its fire suppression system. Part consolidation, weight reduction, and the ability to design complex internal structures that were previously impossible to make with other manufacturing methods are reportedly some of the biggest benefits of 3D printing technologies. The rapid rate of development in new space applications is believed to have turned the sector into a major adopter of metal AM technologies. Large format, multi-laser technologies from the likes of AMCM have also been reportedly deployed for the production of monolithic rocket thrust chamber assemblies, while Ariane Group has been using metal AM for the production of heat exchangers for its Ariane 6 rocket launcher and components for communication satellites. Reports have it that the SpaceX Super Heavy cost of all of the engines for a complete SpaceX Super Heavy Starship is less than $10 million, and currently the cost of all of the engines is said to be about $100 million. And that's a wrap on stupidly expensive robots Elon Musk owns. Do you think these robots can affect the world positively or negatively? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button if you enjoyed the ride, and subscribe for more wild luxury stories from the world of sports and celebrity. Until next time, bye for now.